Yeah, yeah. Woo! Sage boys on the track. Let's go. Pop it like a drop, a sweet explosion.
Step in the room, candy-coated vibes. Sparkles in the air, we electrify. Drip like honey, golden on my tongue. We ain't slowing down, the party's just begun. Sip, sip, take a little taste. Heartbeats faster, no time to waste. Colors swirling, lights collide. We ride the sugar wave all night. Sugar rush, hey, popping like confetti, dancing crazy. Yeah, we're always ready. Turn it up, the beat won't stop. We're busy like soda. Pop, pop, pop. Sugar rush, taste the sweet reaction, melting hearts with every interaction. Feel the buzz, don't ever drop. We're sweet like candy. Pop, pop, pop.
Yo, check it. Said you're on a candy spree. Bubblegum dreams set the sugar free. Lollipop flavors, mix them all night. Cotton candy skies in the neon lights. Snap back, glow up, shine like a jewel. Boys too sweet, breaking every rule. Drip that caramel smooth and slick. We're the sugar kings, better take your pick.
Sip, sip, take a little taste. Heartbeats faster, no time to waste. Colors swirling, lights collide. We ride the sugar wave all night. Sugar rush, popping like confetti, dancing crazy. Yeah, we're always ready. Turn it up, the beat won't stop. We're busy like soda. Pop, pop, pop. Sugar rush, taste the sweet reaction, melting hearts with every direction. Feel the buzz, don't ever drop. We're sweet like candy. Pop, pop, pop. Sprinkle starlight, dripping chocolate rain. Every heartbeat calling out your name. Spin the world, let the colors ignite. Sugar rush, taking over tonight. Sugar rush, hey, keep it on replay. Party never ends. We can dance all day. Turn it up, the beat won't stop. We're fizzy like soda. Pop, pop, pop. Sugar rush, taste the sweet reaction. Every move's a sweet distraction. Feel the buzz, don't ever drop. We're sweet like candy. Pop, pop, pop.
Sage boys, popping non-stop. Sugar rush forever. Pop, pop, pop. Man. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Sage boys on the track. Let's go. Pop it like a drop, a sweet explosion.
Step in the room, candy-coated vibes. Sparkles in the air, we electrify. Drip like honey, golden on my tongue. We ain't slowing down, the party's just begun. Sip, sip, take a little taste. Heartbeats faster, no time to waste. Colors swirling, lights collide. We ride the sugar wave all night. Sugar rush, hey, popping like confetti, dancing crazy. Yeah, we're always ready. Turn it up, the beat won't stop. We're busy like soda. Pop, pop, pop. Sugar rush, taste the sweet reaction, melting hearts with every interaction. Feel the buzz, don't ever drop. We're sweet like candy. Pop, pop, pop.
Yo, check it. Said you're on a candy spree. Bubblegum dreams set the sugar free. Lollipop flavors, mix them all night. Cotton candy skies in the neon lights. Snap back, glow up, shine like a jewel. Boys too sweet, breaking every rule. Drip that caramel smooth and slick. We're the sugar kings, better take your pick.
Sip, sip, take a little taste. Heartbeats faster, no time to waste. Colors swirling, lights collide. We ride the sugar wave all night. Sugar rush, popping like confetti, dancing crazy. Yeah, we're always ready. Turn it up, the beat
All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Shocking Hour. Okay, so this is episode 19 of our Shocking Hour series, and as always, Shocking Hour is a learning platform or a learning time where students across the world we come together, we learn, we solve past questions. You ask me questions, I answer you. You give me questions, tough questions. I go and research. I come back. We solve it together. That is what Shocking Hour is all about. So this is a time in the night or in the evening where as students across the world, we come together, we learn, we solve past questions, and we share ideas. You recommend something to me, I work on it, and we also look at some practical questions that may come for your exam. So whether you are in Ghana, you are in Nigeria, you are in India, you are from Gabon, US, UK, everywhere across the world, once you're in high school or in the tertiary university, college, anywhere, this is the time for us. Okay, so before we begin, as always, we need to lay down our ground rules, and that is basically that this is an educational live stream. So all the things we'll be saying are education related. Now, if that is not something that you want to do, then this is the wrong live stream for you. So all the things we are going to say are education related. So if you want to be educated, you can stay with us. If not, then thanks for passing through. Secondly, please let's be respectful and polite in the live chat. All the students we've had so far have been amazing and fantastic. We've never had any problem in the live chat. But as always, I need to let you guys know that be polite to each other, interact with each other. You may, through this live stream, you may get to meet someone else from a different country. You may form bonds, work on projects. Maybe when you are visiting their country, you call them, they reach out to you, they come and pick you at the airport. You don't know what may happen. This is the platform where you can also make connections across the world, because as I am right now, I have connection with some of you guys who joined the stream a couple of days ago from India, one from Gabon, and one from US. You guys joined the WhatsApp platform, and I have connections with you guys. Okay, so anytime I decide to visit India or someone, I will definitely call you guys to come and pick me up at the airport and show me around your country. Anyway, so my name is Samuel Kutuka, and I am from Ghana, and I am streaming from Ghana. And today we want to look at some algebraic expressions or some past questions on algebra or simple mathematics questions. Okay, so as always, I'll write the question with the possible options from A to D. So what will happen is that if you know the correct answer, if the correct answer is A, you let me know in the live chat. If it is B, you let me know. If it is C, you let me know, and so on and so forth. And then we will solve the problems together. Are we okay? That is all that we do here on Shocking Hour. And also, if you have a question or a particular topic you want me to lecture on, or you want me to teach you about, just send me an email. So you can send me an email at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com. That is my email. So once you send an email to me at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com, I will receive your questions, work on them, and then we will discuss them during the next live stream. Also, our streams are daily, so we stream from Mondays to Fridays at 7 p.m. GMT. You can convert it into your time wherever you are watching us from. And then on Saturdays and Sundays, we stream at 2 p.m. GMT. We do this so that most of our audience are from India, Nigeria, US, and UK, and they are a couple of hours ahead of Ghana. So Saturdays and Sundays, this is the time where we try to do it so that they can also be in the daytime or in the afternoon time, and then they can also partake. Are we okay? All right. So if you want to support my channel in one way or the other, the only thing you can do is to become a member of the channel and have exclusive access to the benefits that comes with being a member of my channel, right? I have a membership channel on the page where you get to see a lot of videos there for members. So just for as little as $0.99, which is just 99 cents, you can become a member and enjoy all the privileges that members have to offer. All right. So let's proceed and look at the first example we have for today. So let's start working on the examples that we have. Just a minute. Okay. All right. So let's look at the first question we have for today's live stream. A very simple question. So we have here, let me use my black. So we have to simplify the expression, simplify. We have to simplify x squared minus 2x all over x squared minus 4. Okay, this is the expression that we are supposed to simplify. Then we have our possible options. A is x over x minus 2. Option B is x over x plus 2. Option C is x minus 2 over x plus 2. And then option D is x plus 2 over x minus 2. So this is the problem that we have. Let's proceed to solve this particular problem. Guys, we have 2 minutes. Let's try our hands on this question and then we'll look at the answer all together. Like I said, if you are done, just write the alphabet in the comment section. So this is question number 1. So you can just write number 1 A, number 1 B, number 1 C. Whatever your answer is, just let me know in the live chat and then we'll look at the answer together. So anyone from our live audience attempting the question? Right, so we have 1 more minute. And then if we don't get any feedback, then we proceed to look at it together. Okay, Anmol, I hope I'm pronouncing your name well. Anmol is saying option B. Okay, so we have someone saying option B. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else with a different answer or a different opinion or the same answer as Anol? So Anol, you are welcome. And please let me know the country you are joining the stream from. Are you okay? It looks like you are from India, but just confirm for me if you are from India or any other country. Okay, so the time is up. Yes, so Anol is from India. I knew it. All right, so let's proceed to look at the solution to the problem because Arnold is saying he has option B as the answer. We don't know. Let's look at it. So let's write down the solution to this problem. So the expression we have is x squared minus 2x over x squared minus 4. Now, this particular expression, if I look at it, the first thing that comes to mind is that the denominator looks like difference of 2 squares, and it is difference of 2 squares. What it means is that for me to be able to simplify this, I need to factor out some things and cancel some things. I can only factor and cancel if I'm able to factor something out at the numerator and then express the denominator in a different way. So if I take the numerator, which is the x squared minus 2x, I realize that x is common. So I'll factor x out. So if I factor x out, I'll have x into bracket x minus 2. That is what I will have at the top. Now, if I look at the bottom, I have x squared minus 4. Now, 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared. Okay, so the denominator can be written as x squared minus 2 squared. Okay, and when you have a squared minus b squared, that is difference of 2 squared. So over here, s squared minus 2 squared will be equal to, I will maintain what I have at the top, x into bracket x minus 2, but the bottom I express it as difference of two squares, and that becomes x minus 2x plus 2. Are we okay? So if you multiply x minus 2 by x plus 2, you still get s squared minus 4, or s squared minus 2 squared. That is what you get. So from here, I can see that s minus 2 is common, so they will cancel each other out. So my answer will now be x at the top over x plus 2 at the bottom. So this becomes my final answer. So the correct answer over here is option B, as rightly said by Anmol. So Anmol, you are correct. Okay, very good. So correct for 3 marks. Okay, so let's look at another question, a little bit tougher. So this time around, we have to simplify. We have to simplify 2 over 2 plus x plus 2 over 2 minus x. This is what we are supposed to simplify. Okay, and then our possible options. Option A is 4 over 4 minus x squared. Option B is 8 over 4 minus x squared. Option C is 4x over 4 minus x squared. And then option D, we have 8 minus 4x over 4 minus x squared. Right, so this is the problem we have for question number 2. Are you okay? So please, we have 2 minutes. Let's start work. Okay, so Anmol is saying B again. Okay, wow. So Anmol is saying B. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Do we agree or do we disagree with Anmol? Anyone else? Okay, so let's look at the solution to this problem. So we write down our solution. So here we have 2 over 2 plus x plus 2 over 2 minus x. Now these are fractions, and then they have unlike denominators. The denominators are not the same. So the first thing we need to do is to find what we call the LCM. The LCM in this case is you multiplying the two denominators. So it will be 2 plus x and then 2 minus x. That is our LCM. So we write the LCM here, 2 plus x and then 2 minus x. Are we okay? Now from here, 2 plus x will divide this LCM. It will cancel the 2 plus x. We will only be left with 2 minus x. And that 2 minus x will multiply the 2 on top of it. So we'll have 2 outside bracket, 2 minus x. Then the positive sign over here, you bring it here. Now we come to the second fraction. The denominator is 2 minus x. It will divide this LCM 2 minus x times. We'll have 2 plus x left. And then that 2 plus x, we use it to multiply the number on top of it, which is 2 in this case. So we'll have 2 into bracket 2 plus x over here. Are we okay? So from here, we just simplify what we have at the top. So 2 multiplied by 2, that will give me 4. 2 multiplied by x will give me negative 2x. 2 multiplied by 2 again will give me 4. And then 2 multiplied by x will give me 2x. All divided by the LCM. And the LCM in this case, we can decide to multiply it. Okay? So if I expand the LCM over here is difference of two squares. I can see that is difference of two squares. So that will give me 4 minus x squared. Okay. So from here, I have 4 and 4 over here. That will give me 8. And then I have negative 2x, positive 2x over here. They will cancel each other out. So let me cancel that. So the negative 2x and then the positive 2x will cancel each other out. So I'll be left with 4 plus 4, which is 8 at the top, over 4 minus x squared. Are we okay? So the correct answer here is option B. Yes, as Arnold has said. So Arnold, you are right again, and correct for another 3 points. Bugad Martin, please, you are welcome. Thank you so much for joining the stream. And then please try your hands on the next question. And Bugad, you are welcome. All right, so let's have a look at another simple algebraic expression. We'll be switching to other topics along the way, but for now, let's look at some basic algebraic expressions. All right. So the next question we have to factorize. We have to factorize the expression. We have to factorize the expression 3 minus x minus 2x squared. Okay, so this is the problem we have. We have to factorize the expression 3 minus x minus 2x squared. So let's look at our possible answers. Option A, we have 2x minus 3, 1 minus x. Option B, we have 2x minus 3, x minus 1. Option C, we have 2x plus 3, 1 minus x. And then the last option, option D, we have 2x plus 3, and then 1 plus x. Okay, so this is the question that we have. Let's factorize this expression, and as always, we have 2 minutes to attempt it. So Bugad, please try your hands on it, and then Anmol, please. Let me see what you have. Okay, Anmol is saying option C this time around. Okay, so thank God it's not B again. So he's saying option C. Okay, we don't know whether he's right or wrong. So let's look at it. So who else has a different answer? Anyone else with a different answer? Okay, so let's look at the solution to this problem. Just a minute. Okay, so we are looking at the solution to this problem. The expression we have is 3 minus x minus 2x squared. Okay, now this is a little bit inverted from the normal general expression of ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So this expression, I can rewrite it as, I can bring the x squared term first, bring the x next, and then bring the 3 first. So I can rewrite this as negative 2x squared minus x, and then plus 3. I can rewrite this like this. It is still the same thing. Now, from here, the a term in this case is negative 2. multiplied by the c term, which is 3, that will give me negative 6. Okay, so I will ask myself, which two numbers can I add or subtract? Okay, that will give me negative 1 in the middle, but if I multiply, I'll get negative 6. Are we okay? So it's still going to be negative 3 and 2. Negative 3 and 2, if you multiply, you get negative 6, but if you add, you get negative 1. So therefore, this place becomes negative 2x squared minus 3x, okay, plus 2x, and then plus 3. Are we okay? Or I can rewrite this as negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 3x plus 3. So all I have to do from here is to factor out the common terms. Are we okay? So between negative 2 and 2, we have what common? 2 is common. Okay, so here 2 is common, but I can still factor out negative 2. It means that the sign inside will change. So if I factor out negative 2 over here, I'll have here x. Sorry, negative 2x is common. So if I factor out negative 2x, okay, so let me redo this. So that let's go with the positive so that we can easily understand. So between negative 2x squared and 2x is common. So if I factor out 2x, I'll have into bracket. Over here, I'll have negative x and then plus 1. Are we okay? Because negative 2x multiplied by negative x will give me negative 2x squared. Then the negative 2 multiplied by 1 will give me, 2x multiplied by 1 will give me 2x. Then I come to the second part. Between negative 3x and 3, 3 is common. So I'll factor out 3. So here will become plus 3. Then I have into bracket negative x plus 1 over here. Are we okay? This is what I will get. So now if I combine these two, I will get 2x and then the 3 will become 2x plus 3. Then negative x plus 1. Now the negative x plus 1, I can rewrite it as 1 minus x. It's the same thing because the x is still carrying the negative. So this is equal to 2x plus 3 and then 1 minus x. Are we okay? So this becomes my answer. And if I look through the possible options, I can see option C. I have 2x plus 3 and then 1 minus x. Okay, which is the correct answer and which is what Anmol rightly gave us as the answer. So Anmol, you are correct. All right, at this point, Arnold is getting everything, and you guys are just watching him. So let's look at one more question on algebraic expressions, and then we move to number line. Okay, angles on a number line. All right, very good. One more question, and then we move. Okay, here the next question, we have to multiply. We have to multiply mk over 3m plus 3k by m plus k over m. So this is the question. Multiply the ratio mk over 3m plus 3k by m plus k over m. So that is our question, and here are our possible options. So we have option A, k over 3. Option B, we have m minus k over 3. Option C, we have m plus k over 3. Then option D, we have mk over 3. So this is the next question we have. Let's proceed to look at the answers. Okay, Ayush is saying option A. Okay, Ayush, you are welcome. Thanks for joining. And yes, Ayush is saying option A. So we have someone saying option A. Anmol is also saying option A. Okay. Yes, Ayush, hi. And from your name, I can tell you are from India. So welcome and a big shout out to all the Indians in the house. Okay. All right. So let's look at, yes, much love from India. Yeah, I love you guys. You guys are amazing. All right. So let's look at the solution to this particular problem. So I write down the solution. So here I am to multiply mk over 3m plus 3k by, the by is multiplication, then I have m plus k at the top, and then I have m at the bottom. Now, from what I can see right from the question that the denominator over here, 3m plus 3k, 3 is common. I can factor 3 out, and then I can cancel what will be left. Okay, so I'll do that. So this will now be equal to, I have mk at the top, then at the bottom, I will factor out 3. So I'll have 3 outside bracket into bracket. If I factor out 3, I'll be left with m plus k over here. And this will multiply the next ratio, m plus k over m over here. So therefore, I can see m plus k common here. So I can cancel them out. Are we okay? Then I now have mk at the top multiplied by 1 here to still give me mk over 3 here multiplied by m, which will give me 3m. Okay, now if you look at it, m is still common in there, so the m will cancel each other out. So the m here will cancel the m here, so my answer will be k over 3, and that is option A, as rightly said by Ayush and Anmo. So Anmo, you guys are right. You guys are right. Okay, much love. Now let's proceed to plane geometry, right? Plane geometry. We are talking about angles. We are moving to angles. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Ayush is saying great pronunciation of name, mate. Thank you. Most of my friends on the stream are from India. So yes, I'm trying to learn the proper pronunciation of their names. Okay. So the next question we have is, let's look at this. This is what I have. Let me draw this well. Okay, I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian. It's in Africa, West Africa to be precise. So I'm a Ghanaian. This is the country, Ghana. That is the name. Okay, so I have this here, this here. This is X. This is Y. This is Z. And then this is T. So I have this angle is 40 degrees. Then I have this side is 13x minus 20 degrees. Okay, so the question is find the value of x. The value of x. Okay, so that is the question. I am to find the value of x. All right, so here are my possible options. A is 10, B is 20, C is 110, and then D is 130. Okay, we have our answers flooding in already. So we have x is equal to 10 from Ayush. Okay, and more, please, what do you have for me? Anyone else with a different answer? Okay, so let's look at the solution together. Let's see whether Ayush is right or not. Okay, so from here, if we look at the triangle X, Y, and Z, we realize that this is an isosceles triangle, which means that the two sides over here are equal. And that is why we have these lines indicating that. So if this side is Y, this side will also be Y. What it means is that if I look at just the triangle alone, I will have 40 plus the angle over here, Y, plus the second angle over here, Y, and that will be equal to 180 degrees, because angles in a triangle are add up to what? 180. So I now have 40 plus 2y over here, and that is equal to 180. Okay, so I have here 2y is equal to 180 minus 40. Ayush has already given us the value of y, which is 70. So let's look at that. So I have 2y is equal to 180 minus 40. That will give me 140. So to find my y, I will divide both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. So my y is 70 degrees, as rightly said by Ayush. Are you okay? But the question is saying we should find x. Are we okay? Now that we know that the y here is 70, are you okay? Not 70y, but it's just 70. Okay, so I can now clean the y and write 70 over there. So I have 70 here, I have 70 here. Okay, now from this point over here, let's see somewhere the middle over here, the line over here, this is a straight line. Okay, so angles on a straight line are add up to 180. So it means this entire angle, if I add everything, it should be equal to 180. So I'll have my y, which is 70, plus what I have in the bracket, 13x minus 20, okay, to be equal to what? 180. So here I will have 70 plus 13x minus 20 is equal to 180. Now 70 minus 20, that will give me 50 plus 13x, and that will give me 180. So if I continue from here, I will send the 80 to the other side of the equal to sign. So I'll have 13x is equal to 180 minus 50. And then that will give me 13x is equal to 180 minus 50 will give me 130. So I will divide both sides by 13 by 13. Therefore, my value of x will be equal to 10 degrees, as said by Ayush. Okay, so Ayush, you are right. Correct for 3 points. Okay, brilliant. Now let's have a look at some more complicated question. Over here. So this one, Ayush has to do a little bit more of calculation than to get the answer easily. So we have the exterior angle of a let's go. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 40 degrees. You are to find the sum of its interior angles. Are you okay? Now A is equal to 140 degrees, B is 360 degrees, option C is 1120 degrees, and then option D is 1260 degrees. Okay, so guys, we have 1 minute. Let's quickly solve this problem. So Ayush is saying option D. So anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, so guys, let's look at the solution. Now the question is saying the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 30. Okay, now we know that the exterior angle of a polygon, okay, let's do that. The exterior angle, this is our solution. So the exterior angle of a polygon, is equal to 360 divided by n. The n in this case is the number of sides of that particular polygon. Are we okay? The n is the number of sides of the polygon. Now, in this case, we were told that the exterior angle is 40. Okay, so we have 40 here is equal to 360 divided by n. So to find n, we just move the n here, move the 40 here. So the n will be 360 divided by 40. And if we do that, the value of n that we'll get will be 9. Okay, so it means that the polygon, in this case, is a 9-sided polygon. Are we okay? Now, to find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, we use the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Are you okay? Let me rewrite that so that you guys can see it well. So to find the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon, we use the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180, as rightly stated by Ayush in the live chat. So this will be equal to, we have 9 minus 2 multiplied by 180, and that will give us 7 multiplied by 180, and that will be obviously 1260 degrees as our answer. Are we okay? So yes, the correct answer is option D, as rightly said by Ayush. And then we have Excellent Link Academy. Oh, okay. Excellent Link Academy, you are welcome. Thanks for joining. And then someone said hi, but your name is in Arabic, so I can't say the name, but you are still welcome regardless. Are you okay? So yes, I have another question for us. Let's quickly try our hands on that. Okay, so this one is a very interesting question. I don't mind the drawing of my shape because obviously they are not drawn to scale. So we have to find the value of x in the diagram. Find the value of x in the diagram. Okay. So our friend who has the Arabic name is saying it's milk in Arabic. Oh, okay. So Mr. Milk, welcome. I know that is not your name, but okay. So here is the shape. This is the shape that we have. Just bear with my drawing. Okay. So the angle over here is x. Let me use a. In fact, let me even draw it bigger. Let me draw it bigger so that you guys can appreciate more. So something like this, and then the one over here goes like this, and this guy meets it over here. Okay, so the angle over here, there's an angle over here, one over here, one over here, and then one over here. Okay, so the one over here is x, this one is 4x, this one is 70 degrees, this one is 2x, and then this one is 3x. Okay, so guys, this is the question. So let's find the value of x. So our possible options are option A, 61 degrees, option B, 54 degrees. Option C, we have 47 degrees. And then option D, we have 29 degrees. How good are you in math? How strong are you in math? Show it over here on Shacking Our live stream. Okay, as always, Ayush is there telling us it is option C, which is 47. Okay, so guys, who is competing with Ayush? Mr. Milk, Excellent Link Academy, what do you have for me? Okay, so Excellent Link Academy is saying, how do we get your contact? Oh, okay. So Excellent Link Academy, please, you can send me an email via my Gmail. So I'll write my Gmail here. Just send me an email and then we can exchange personal contact from there. Okay. So it is my science tutorials at gmail.com. So that is my email. Are you okay? So Excellent Link Academy, you can send me an email at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com, and then you and I can engage with each other. Oh, Mr. Milk, why are you laughing? Milk, what do you have for me? Don't let Ayush be scoring everything. Oh, he has been scoring everything since the beginning. So someone should challenge him. Excellent Link Academy, what do you have for me? Okay, so if we look at this polygon or this diagram, we realize that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is a 5-sided. So Mr. Milk is saying I should let him have his time. It is time. Okay. Okay. They are saying it's your time, so they will bypass you very soon. Okay. So this is a 5-sided polygon. A 5-sided polygon. And so 5-sided polygon, we call them a pentagon. Okay. So for a 5-sided polygon, the sum of the interior angles is equal to the formula n-2 multiplied by 180. So that will be 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180. And that will give us 3 multiplied by 180. Okay. And then 3 multiplied by 180. I used to say I challenge him to beat me in the next question then. Oh, okay. So Milk, there is a challenge thrown at you. Okay. They are challenging you, and that is what I want. There is a challenge on the floor. So Milk, are you up for the challenge or not? So 3 multiplied by 180, that will give us 540. Mr. Milk, are you ready for the challenge? Milk, accept the challenge. All right, so the sum of the interior angles of this pentagon is add up to 540. So what it means is that we have to add all the angles in there and equate it to 540. So I have here, let me start with the x, just the x. So I have x plus the 3x plus the 2x plus the 4x plus 70, and that will be equal to 540. So if I add all the x, I have 1 plus 3x, that is 4x. 4x by plus 2x, that will give me 6x. And then this 4, 5, 6. 6 plus another 4, that will give me 8x. So I have 8x over here plus 70 is equal to 540. If I take the 70 from the 540, so 540 minus 70, that will give me 470. So here will be equal to 8x is equal to 470. So you divide both sides by 8, and then you get your value for x. Okay, so divided by 8. Okay, let's see. I'm making a mistake somewhere. So this is oh, my bad. Yes. X plus 3x, that is 4x, plus 2x, that is 6x, plus 4x, that is 10x. Sorry. Thank you so much for the correction, Ayush. So this is 10x, this is supposed to be 10x, and we are dividing both sides by 10. Okay, so that will give us 47 as our answer. So yes, the correct answer here is option C. Okay, yes, Mr. Milk, thanks for the correction as well. It is option C. I was busy, you guys, your competition, I didn't go. Okay, so now we have a challenge on the floor. Let's see about that. So we have Mr. Milk and Ayush. They are ready for a competition, right? They want to see who is the fastest finger, who is the mathematics guru. Are you okay? Is it going to be Ayush or is it going to be Mr. Milk? Okay. So because we have a very set of interesting people on the floor, I am going to give a little bit of a complicated question. So let's go. Let's go. All right, let's see. So this is the shape I have. Okay. So I have this. Okay, this is a straight line. Then the angle over here is 158. 158. This is P. This is Q. This is R. And then this is S. This place is S. And then we have a line here joining here to make R. This guy and this guy are like this, and this side is also like this. Okay, so we have to find the angle QPR. Find angle QPR. Okay, so QPR, this angle at the top over here, we have to find this angle QPR, the one I am making over there. Okay. All right, so the possible options are, we have 22 degrees. Option B, 36 degrees. C is 44 degrees. And then D is 92 degrees. Well, obviously, guys, you didn't expect me to give you an easier question. You don't expect me to give you an easy question. So, yes, what do you have for me? What do you have for me? Hey, hey, Milk, are you there? Ayush has 92. Milk, are you there? Milk, do something. Milk is giving up. He's saying 36, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so Milk, comment the topic you are very confident in, right? Comment the topic, whether algebra, fractions, differentiation, integration, whatever you are confident in. Comment it so that I'll give you a question on it so you compete with Ayush. Ayush is saying he's all round. Are we okay? So let's compete with him. All right, so for us to solve this problem, the first thing we look at is that the triangle PRS is an isosceles triangle. Okay? Okay. Milk is saying algebra. Okay, we'll be moving to algebra. So let's solve this first. So the triangle PRS is an isosceles triangle, right? So the first thing we need to do is that we need to find the angle over here. That is our clue first. So we know that angles on a straight line are add up to what? 180. So we have here this side, the angle over here, let it be x. So it will be 180 minus 158. That will give us the x. So 180 minus 158, that will give us 22. So the value of x here is 22. Okay, so the x here is 22. Remember, this angle PRQ is isosceles. So since this side is 22, the side over here is also 22. Are we okay? So this is 22, this is 22. The total is what? 44. Are we okay? So therefore, we can find the angle over here. So let's make this y. If we make this y, it will be 180 minus 44. So 180 minus 44, and that will give us 136 degrees over here. Now, since we have this to be 136, if this side is z, then we can now find the angle over here, z. So that will be 180 minus 136. So 180 minus 136, that will still give us 44. So it means the angle here is 44. If the one over here is 44, this one also here is 44. So 44 plus 44 is 88. So to find the angle at the top, it will be 180 minus 88. Okay, and that will give us 92 degrees. And yes, as always, Ayush has it correct, and that is option D. Now, okay, Mr. Merck is saying he's good in algebra, and algebra is his field. So he's going to brutalize Ayush. Ayush will not even get the chance to breathe. Let's go to algebra. Okay, let's go to algebra. Just a minute. Okay. Page 61. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. So I'm looking for a very tough question in algebra, but yes, let's go with this first. So first of all, simplify. This is the competition. Simplify x squared minus 5x minus 14 over s squared minus 9x plus 14. Let's simplify this. This is algebra. Mr. Mark, why are you saying oh? All right. Option A, I have x plus 2 over x minus 2. Option B, I have x minus 2, x plus 2. Option C, I have x plus 7 over x minus 7. And then option D, I have x minus 7 and then x plus 7. Eh, Mr. Mark, Mr. Mark, you are dead. Ayush already has the answer. I bet. Ayush, please calm down, calm down, calm down. I don't know how. Ayush, how? How are you getting the answer? Are you using ChatGPT? Ayush, how? Explain. Ayush, oh, this is interesting. So, Mr. Merk, what do you have? What do you have? What is your answer? What is your answer? The fact that he finished first doesn't mean he's correct. So, what do you have for me? Oh, goodness. So, Mr. Milk is having x plus 2 over x minus 2. I just got it. Okay, okay, okay. So, I have cracked IIT exam actually. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We have an amazing and talented student over here. Okay. So, you guys have the same answer. It's x plus 2, x minus 2. So, there's no need we solve. Let's proceed. So, I want to look for something that will even make Ayush think, right? Uh, So at this point, I don't want to even give possible options again. Let me not give possible options again. I think that would be best. So let's look at the next question. I will not give possible option. All right. So here, quickly factorize s squared plus 4x plus 3 plus mx plus 3m. Okay. So whilst you guys are cracking this, let me look for another one. So this is question 1. Let me add another one. Question 2. Given that m is equal to 2x over 1 minus x squared and n is equal to 2x over 1 plus x, express in simplest form 2m minus n in terms of x. Okay, so the first one is x plus 3 into brackets, and then another bracket x plus 1 plus m. Okay, so you both had it correct, and yes, so you guys are right. Correct. Now let's move on to the next one. This is the next one. Given that m is equal to 2x over 1 minus x squared and n is equal to 2x over 1 plus x, expressed in the simplest form 2m minus n in terms of x. Let's go. Okay. Ha. Mr. Milk. Okay. So Mr. Milk has 2x over 1 minus x. Okay. Ayush. Mr. Milk has finished answering the second one. Ayush, are you there? Or you are conceding defeat? So Ayush is having 2 plus 2x over 1 minus x. Ayush, are you sure? Ayush, are you sure? Because what I have here is 2x over 1 minus x. Exactly what Mr. Milk has. Yes, so Ayush, you are right. You are right. And for some reason, your messages are, I don't know why, but it seems okay. So yes, you guys are right. Both of you guys are correct. So he's saying yeah, it's true. I don't have a pen with me right now, so I messed up. Huh? So you are not solving with pen? Oh my god. Ah, Eddie has just joined. So Eddie, welcome. Let's go on to the next one. Of course. Let's go. Okay. The competition is tough. Eddie has joined. So Eddie, please prove them wrong. Prove that you can beat the two of them. Simplify 3m over 2n minus m minus 1 over 5n plus m minus 2 over 10n, where n is not equal to 0. Simplify. Okay, so Mr. Milk, please work on it. Ayush is already working on it. Eddie, please prove the two of them wrong. Prove them wrong. Show them you are the boss, you are the ogboro, you are the bata. Oh, goodness. Okay, another one. This is 1. Another one, 2. Find R if 5R squared plus into bracket 22.55 squared is equal to 27.45 squared. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, are you both of you are getting 7m over 5, and please, it is correct. Let's move on to the next one. It's 7m over 5, and okay. So Ayush is slightly ahead of Mr. Milk, but they both had it correct. Okay, let's go. The next one. What an intense battle. Wait, Ayush is already giving me the second answer. R is equal to plus or minus 7. Okay, Mr. Milk, what do you think? Is he correct? No. Please, if you have calculator, you can use it. You can use it. No one is watching you. Okay, if calculator can help you solve it faster, use it. I don't think Ayush is using calculator though. I don't think he's using calculator though. Okay, because yes, calculator will help him solve it faster, but I'm not sure he's using. Okay. Mr. Milk, you can see the guy is just so good. So Ayush, send me an email. Send me hi on email at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com. Are you okay? You need to join my WhatsApp group. All right. So now that we have that, let's move on to another question. So since you guys are getting the algebra correct and easily like that, let's look at a different question. Let me make things tough for you guys. Like, you guys are getting everything correct too much. I'm not happy. Okay. Interesting. The next question. Mr. Milk, you are cooked. Today you are cooked. So solve 3x plus 1 over 4 minus 3 plus 4x over 3 less or equal to 1. Let's solve this. So Ayush is saying you can use calculator, Milk to be in the... Mr. Milk, please, if you can use calculator, use calculator. So, guys, Ayush is now going to bring pen. So far, he has been doing the calculation without pen or pencil. So the guy is now getting serious and he's now going to bring pen. Mr. Milk, you are not cooked, you are toast. You are toast. You are toast. So 3x plus 1 over 4 minus 3 plus 4x over 3 greater or equal to 1. You are saying 1 over 4. Please no. Please no. Mr. Milk, the answer is not correct. Are you saying x greater than equal to -3? Ha! Hey, Ayush, you are correct. Mr. Milk, no. S is greater than or equal to 1 over 4. No, it's not 1 over 4. It's not 1 over 4. It's a single number. Yeah, do it again. It's a single number. It's a single number. So yes, the answer over here is x is greater or equal to -3. Just like Ayusha said. Hey. All right. So the second question. you are in for trouble. Whoever told you to. Okay, let's make it a little bit complicated. So 4 plus 3 over 4 into bracket x plus 2 bracket close less or equal to 3 over 8 into bracket x plus 1. So find x. So this is the second one. Oh, sorry. Guys, sorry. So a little bit of mistake from here. This is 3 over 8x plus 1. Okay, so this is the question. 4 whole number plus 3 over 4 into bracket x plus 2 less or equal to 3 over 8x plus 1. That is the question, and let's go. Ayush is almost done. Mr. Milk is crying or is about to cry. Guys, if you are watching and you are not commenting, you are not joining this competition, you are missing out. Okay? Hey, Mr. Milk. So Mr. Milk is saying s is less than or equal to -4. Hey. Okay. Ayush is saying s is less than or equal to -12. Mr. Milk, please check your calculation again. Check your calculation again because x is less than or equal to -12. Ayush has his right. Now, Mr. Milk, you've got this. I'm supporting you actually, Mr. Milk. I'm supporting you. I believe Ayush is cheating. He's cheating. He's cheating. He's too good at this. Why? How can he be cheating? Okay, another one. Another one for you guys. All right, so this one, solve the inequality 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 into bracket x plus 2 greater or equal to 3x minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. Hey, Mr. Milk, come on. I'm supporting you, Mr. Milk. Mr. Milk. Mr. Milk. Mr. Milk. Okay. So once we look at this, let's look at another one. So this is the first one. Let me get you the second one. Okay, so solve 5x minus 7 over 6 plus 2x minus 3 over 4 is equal to -2 over 3. Okay, so the first one, we have s is less than 11 over 32. So that is 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 into bracket s plus 2. Mr. Milk, are you saying s greater than or equal to 2 over 7? Yes, and that is what I also have here. X, no, it's actually x less or equal to. It's x less or equal to 2 over 7. Okay, so Mr. Milk, your first one it's not good. It's not correct. Julius, hi Julius, thanks for joining. We have some heavy competition going here. So Ayush, yes, the first one is right. Mr. Milk, at this point, I should keep score. This is like 4-0 or 5-0. Mr. Milk, what is going on? Okay. So the next one I have 5x minus 7 over 6 plus 2x minus 3 over 4, and that is equal to negative 2 over 3. Ayush is saying 15 over 16, okay? Mr. Milk, beat him. This one there, beat him. Mr. Milk, have you given up? Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Milk has given up. And I feel like I should play. All right, so the answer to the second question, this question, is just like Ayush has said, is 15 over 16, and that is correct. And then Mr. Milk has given up because the competition was tough. No, not that it was tough. Ayush was just very fast. I don't know why, but Ayush was very, very fast. Okay. And Mr. Milk, a big shout out to you. You really did well. You were able to let Ayush go and took his pen. He went for his pen. Are you okay? So you gave him a tough time, right? That is just how good you are. Okay. So yes. Oh, okay. So Mr. Milk, Ayush is saying we should go a little easy for you. Are you okay? So he wants to play one final. Mr. Milk, are you ready? Are you up for the game? Ah, you know what? When he went for the pen, I also realized you were cooked. Right? I knew you were cooked because the guy without pen was already was already beating you. So imagine now that he has gone for pen. I mean, just imagine. Okay, so let's do one more. Just one more question. He said we should go a little easy on you. So this one, I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Okay, whoever solved within the 2 minutes is the winner. Okay, so this one, solve 4 over 5x minus into bracket x plus 3 less than 1 over 3 into bracket x minus 1. Okay, so we have to solve this problem. This one, you guys have 2 minutes, and whoever give the answer within the 2 minutes, you guys will be the winner. So if you guys are done within 2 minutes, both of you are the winners. Are you okay? Oh, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You made the session enjoyable. I really enjoyed this session. All right. So whilst you guys are solving, I should just listen. So I use Mr. Milk. I do the live stream every day at 7 p.m. GMT, right? And Mr. Milk, let me know the country you are joining from. Let me know the country you are joining from. Tomorrow, you guys will have to join 7 p.m. GMT. Okay, this is the time. The time is 7 p.m. GMT. So in Indian time, it will be plus 5 hours 30 minutes, I think. And then if you want to reach out to me, my email is my science tutorials at gmail.com. So this is my mail. I have a WhatsApp group, so you guys can join. Send me hi on email. I'll send you a link to a WhatsApp group. You guys can join so that I use Mr. Milk so that we can communicate behind the scenes and get to know each other more on the WhatsApp platform. Are you okay? So just send me hi on email. Say I am Ayush. I am Mr. Milk. I will know who you are. I'll send you the link. Are you okay? All right. So we have, are you saying x is greater than -5? Mr. Milk is saying x is greater than -12. Mr. Milk, are you sure? Ayush has beaten you again because the answer is x is greater than -5. So Ayush, I think because you're in a hurry, you are making some small mistakes, right? So Ayush is using that speed to beat you. Are you okay? Oh, okay, Ayush, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate you. Okay. So Mr. Milk is saying, actually, I'm from Saudi Arabia and it's quite late right now, and I'm not sure if I can, but I did sub. Oh, okay. So yes, guys, the stream is always an hour, between 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes. So yes, this is the end of today's stream. Uh, thank you for subscribing, Ayush. Thank you for subscribing, Mr. Milk. And I really appreciate you guys. You guys made today very exciting, right? I was so hyped when the competition came about that I forgot to even solve the problem because you guys are so good. You guys are so amazing. You're just getting the answers correct. Are you okay? So I really appreciate you guys. Oh, so we have someone from, I think, Nigeria, Oduteo. Oduteo, welcome. Thanks for joining. Sadly the stream has come to an end, but anyway, thanks for joining. Subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Are we okay? So yes, like I said, the stream is every day at 7 p.m. GMT. And if you want to be in a WhatsApp group, like we met over here online, I don't know Ayush, I don't know Mr. Milk, and Oduteo has also just joined. Oduteo, you are welcome. Okay, Mr. Milk is saying perhaps another time I can beat. Oh, I'm right behind you, Mr. Milk. You need to beat Ayush for me, okay? But Oduteo, thanks for joining. And tomorrow we'll continue at the same time, okay? It's at 7 p.m. GMT every day from Monday to Friday. And then Saturdays and Sundays, I stream at 2 p.m. GMT. So this is for Mondays to Fridays, okay? From Mondays to Fridays, I stream at 7 p.m. GMT. And then on Saturday and Sunday, I stream at the time on Saturdays and Sundays is 2 p.m. GMT. So when you guys are free, please join. We'll solve a lot of math questions. If you have any problem or any particular topic you want me to describe, teach, or we will have a lesson on, please send me an email, okay, at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com, so that I'll look at the questions or look at the topic. We will teach, we will solve together, we will also learn together, okay? Now, like I said, I have a WhatsApp group. So what I do is that you send me an email on my mail, mysciencetutorials@gmail.com, and I will send you the link. Just introduce yourself, the name you've used in the chat, Ayush, Mr. Milk, and then Oduteo. Just send me an email. I will send you the link to the WhatsApp platform so that you guys can have can be a part of the group and also get to know each other more on the platform. Are you okay? So today we have Mr. Milk from Saudi Arabia. So Ayush is from India. So now Ayush has a friend from Saudi Arabia. I'm sure Oduteo is from Nigeria. So Oduteo also have a friend from India and then Saudi Arabia, and also me from Ghana. Are you okay? So we are connecting the world together, and I think that will really be helpful in the future. So Mr. Milk, if I'm ever coming to Saudi Arabia, I will call you. So you need to join the WhatsApp group. Send me hi on email, mysciencetutorials@gmail.com. If I'm coming to Saudi Arabia, I am calling you. And Ayush, if I'm coming to India, I definitely have to visit India because you guys have been on the stream for a very long time. You guys are one of my my top viewers. So I definitely have to visit India in the future. So when I'm coming, I'll call you, Ayush. Are you okay? And when I'm coming to Saudi Arabia, I'll call you. I'll call you, Mr. Milk. And when I'm visiting Nigeria, I'll tell you, I will call you so that you come and meet me at the airport. Are you okay? But that is for the future. Guys, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the stream. Are you okay? And if you want, on the main channel itself, we have a lot of videos for you guys on mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. So the stream is for you and I to actually interact, learn together, and then solve problems. But we have video tutorials on the channel itself, and it is good for you. Are you okay? And I also have another channel called My Science Tutorials for Kids. That one is for kids, and as you can probably guess, only kids content are over there. So how to write ABCD, stories for kids, and other things are over there. So if you have a younger sibling, you can let them subscribe to My Science Tutorial for Kids so that they watch the content over there, and you yourself, you will be on My Science Tutorial. Okay, so guys, in the absence of any other question, any other contribution, I'll move the stream to an end today. Are you okay? All right, so guys, bye bye, and then I really enjoyed the session. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Met you under skies that smelled like spring. You smiled and the world stopped spinning. Petals fell like promises from the trees, and I knew you were meant for me. You're my first bloom